Good day everyone, welcome to White Link Academy. Today we're going to be doing tangency problem. That is, let me show you what we're going to be drawing today. We're going to be reproducing now this figure. This is a tangency problem. Let me show you very well. As you can see what I'm having, they said this is a tangency. What do we observe? There's a circle here, you can see, of radius 6, and they said that before we do that this circle, we need to measure from this line here to up here to be 6. So let's just start. The first thing to do here is drawing our horizontal line of 45 millimeter. That's 4.5 centimeter, isn't it? Because that's the first thing I'm going to be doing, to draw horizontal line of 45. So doing that, I'll be having this. So now using your T-square, you take it, you draw an horizontal line. You can see our horizontal line. Now what do you observe from that question? Let me show you. They said that from this point to this point is 45. You can see. So let's take that point to be this. Let's start the point from here, isn't it? So this point here I did here is this point at the edge here. Is this point here, isn't it? So from that point I'll measure 45. So from this point here I'll measure 45. So take it like this. 45 is here. You can see that. So from there you take your T-square. You can see set square. Take it upward and downward like this. Let me show you what I'm doing. So after you have do this, what do we observe again from the question? Before we do that, let's draw this one downward too, because it is given the question, it is drawn downward. Let me show you. From the question, as you can see, we have got a point here. We have measured 45 as we did. So this line here, you're seeing is this line here and here. So what the next thing to do is they said from this line we have drawn, we have to measure 6 upward. Let me show you. I'm going to measure 6 upward from this point to this point. See, different of 6. So from this point here, measure 6 upward. Let's do that. So measuring 6 upward, you take a meter rule, measure 6. This is my 6 is here. This is my point 6. Now after I have indicate our point 6 here, let's see what we're having. After indicating this point, you draw a circle of radius 6. Let me show you. You draw a circle of radius 6. These are points. This point here is this point we have established here. So then we said it has a radius of 6. So let's draw that radius of 6. So drawing our 6, you take your compass, you measure radius 6. This is my 6, as you can see. Let me show you. This is my 6. So you put at this point, you draw a circle. Oh, sorry. I have successfully drawn my radius of 6. So after that, what do you observe? Let's see in the question. After I've drawn the circle of radius 6, the next thing to do is, let me show you, is to is to draw a horizontal line at that point. You see this line, drawing horizontal line, this line here. Let's do that. take your set square. Let me show you. Take it like this. At that point, you can see we have done that. So you can just take measurement like this from here to here. Just indicate it. It's what? It's 6. So I've done that, isn't it? Let's proceed. What do we observe after that? He said there's an arc. You can see an arc here. You need to You need to fill this arc, isn't it? So whenever you want to fill, you add, isn't it? So we're going to be saying what? We're going to be adding this radius. The radius of this arc here seen is what? Is 30, and this one you're seeing upward is 35. So let's draw it down first. This arc here. This arc is showing a hole, isn't it? So whenever I see a hole, you feel a hole. That is, this arc, this radius of this is what? 6. So that will give us what? You come here. Let me show you what I want to do now. Meaning that this from here, this circle is having a radius of 6, isn't it? So that's 6. I had a 6 down here, 6, isn't it? Plus, because we are filling, we are adding. So this one has the radius of what? The radius of what? This one 30 plus 30. That will give us what? 36, isn't it? So we're going to place our point of compass here. You can see at this point, and measure 36 and strike an arc. I'll show you how to do that. So after doing this, the next thing I'm going to do is what? At this point, there's also a circle here, but circle is what? 0, isn't it? That will be 0. So 0 plus this circle. There's an invisible circle here that adds up with this result of what? You see, this of what? 0. So 0 plus what? That 30 again. We're having what? 30. So let's measure 36 and let's see what I want to be adding. You come to it, take your compass, you measure what? 36 to be the first reading. 36 from here to this place. As you can see, 36. So places are what? At this point, strike an arc downward, isn't it? And just so that it will not affect. This is the arc here. The next thing we'll measure 36. Measure 36. 36. Sorry, 30. 0 plus 30 is giving me 30, not 36. So 30. So you need to measure what? 30 to this point here. You can see. So you come to this point because this is where you take the distance of 30. Strike an arc here. Sorry. Strike an arc here. Arc of 30. So finally, this arc here I'm meeting at this center point. Let's call the center point P. This point, let's call it point P. So the next thing to do, let me show you. So the next thing to do, these are point P, isn't it? So you can do it in different method. You can just place your pin of compass here and then you gauge it, isn't it? Or you take the measurement of this radius, this arc, which is what? 30. You can measure 30. If I measure 30, you can see this to this. I can just place it here and what? Connect it. You can see. I'll be having this. Let me show you. I'll be having this, isn't it? So the next thing to do is what? After I've successfully drawn this, the next thing is what? The up. After I've drawn this arc here, the next thing to do is to what? is to what? Draw out the second arc upward. Let me show you. Draw out what? The second arc upward. That is this arc you are seeing here. This one upward here. So to do that, this is how you do it. You're going to know this. This is not a O again. This is a O, but this is not a O. It's like a tummy. So whenever I see a tummy, anybody that has a tummy, you always wish to reduce the tummy. So we subtract. That is 35 minus 6, and then 35 minus 0, because this has a result of 0. So I'll be having this. Let me show you. 35 minus 6, and that 35 minus 0 is what? 35. So 35 minus 6 is what? 29. So let's measure that. I will measure 29 from here to here is 29. Put at this point, strike an arc. So you can see my arc. Let me show you so you see my arc. So the next one is what? 35. Let's measure 35. From here to here is 35. Can you see? Put at this point here, point 0. Cut the arc. So the arc is cutting here. So let's call this point Q. So from this point Q, you just gauge it. Just gauge it. So you can see. You can see what I'm having. So we have successfully drawn our tangency problem. Let's see. You can see this is what we are having. This is what we are having here too. So let's indicate them, the measurements. We're having here radius what? Radius 6. So the said distance from here to here. From here to here. Let's show you. From here to here I got 45. Isn't it? So the said base of this arc you are seeing here is R30, and this one you are seeing here, this radius of this one is what? 35. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and like. Thanks for watching. Welcome to Wise Link Academy.